Adios. Sup? Now we are in our car. Can you see my face?
Can you see the outline of my shadowy goodness?
Now we are headed to Punjab.
Punjab.
We are headed to Punjab, and it's not very punny. Just checked all of our bags. We are on our way to Amritsar.
Yep.
Punjab.
Punjab.
We are going to Punjab. Ota Punjab. Oh. Hello. We are on the plane, and it's about an hour flight to Amritsar, right? Amritsar. And we are going to be going to the Golden Temple and going to the Wagah border. And eating a lot of Punjabi food. Yeah. We are now in Punjab. Welcome to Punjab. Are you ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
Are you ready to see some gold?
I'm ready to see some gold.
Are you ready to see some Wagah border?
Throw it down.
Taking us to our hotel. So this is all of our first. So this is all of our first times in Punjab.
Yes.
First impressions.
First of all,
The air is beautiful.
It feels like LA.
Yeah, it's nice and cool.
Nice and cool, crisp.
Smells delicious. So looking
Pleasant
forward.
gentlemen greeted us to take our bag.
Looking forward to today. Rick, you have to get one of these.
Good morning. This is Tulsi Garlic for you. Thank you.
So this man is telling us what are the 3 words we're supposed to know in Punjab. What is it?
3 good words that you should know.
Thank you for clarifying.
In Punjab, it's Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal. So you
It's like namaste.
It's like namaste, but in
Sat Shri
Akal.
Akal.
Sat Shri Akal.
Okay. Sat Shri.
Sat Shri Akal. Acha.
And Punjabi we call Paji.
Baji.
Paji.
Baji Ramastan.
Soft sound.
That's Bajirao Mastani. Pa.
Ba or pa?
Pa the movie. Amitabh
yeah.
Bachchan movie.
Pa with Amitabh Bachchan.
Add a G behind.
Paji. That's bro.
Paji. Bro.
Rick, you are
Elder brother.
You are my
Paji.
Paji.
You're a Paji man.
Yeah.
And the third one is
I feel like this isn't a good one.
I feel like he can't hide being dishonest.
okay. So the third one is I don't know if I can say it here.
Must not be a good word.
But it's very common here in Punjab. Friends use it. So it's.
How are you this morning?
Fine.
Good.
He's saying the person who is sitting here at the corner who has a beard, tell him to not shave or trim his beard for a month. He will also turn into a second.
We're going to a tea shop right now. Apparently a very famous tea shop. Nani tea.
I just told them that how you can say awesome in Punjabi, and Rick will tell you first.
What?
It's like can't turn softer with a little bit of a. Yeah, it's like a GH.
Apparently, I'm saying ass. So, what do we got here?
So this is an omelette.
An omelet.
And inside the omelette there is a bread. So we call it bread omelette.
Bread omelet.
Bread omelette.
I like bread.
Yes, you love bread. You love it too.
And there's like a dipping sauce?
Yep, chutney.
Oh, okay. Chutney. And then this, yeah.
No, afterwards.
Afterwards?
Afterwards.
Taste this first. Is it good? Really good. You're gonna like it a lot. Yeah. Let me try that. The grilled cheese?
That's butter.
Man. What?
That is butter.
It's a butter sandwich?
Yep.
Butter's my favorite food. Right?
Oh yeah.
Bread and egg. You have some rice.
I want to do it with this now.
Yeah, sure, you can try.
So is it bread and then just egg on top?
So they kind of start making the omelette first, and then while it's about to get ready, when it's about to get ready, they put the bread on the top.
And what is this?
You like that?
Oh,
you like that?
man. What'd you do? Oh, what'd you do?
I know this is
Get a
awesome.
piece of that off there, and then just scoop a very hearty. Yeah, soak it, scoop it, love it, and then shove it down your yak hole. Oh, it's it's refreshing. It adds an whole new.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's tasty.
I'm happy you are loving it.
Yeah, I was wondering, I was like, this tastes kind of American almost, just egg and bread, but then yeah, you put that on it, it takes it up a notch.
Yep.
It's no longer bland American. Yeah, that's really good.
vinaigrette. And there's some cilantro and parsley and onion.
In India we call it toast. So when in mornings you are late for your breakfast, you don't have time to cook your breakfast, so you just put bread on a hot pan, put butter, and just eat it. And run for your
Butter toast, basically.
Butter toast.
Butter toast just in a sandwich.
Butter toast and a sandwich.
Yep.
Simple butter toast is a sandwich.
And this is just like a on-the-go thing.
On the go. Yeah.
She's gonna like this.
Chai or?
No, this is not a regular chai. So this is malai on the top. Malai on top. When you wait for the milk, it kind of forms on the milk on the top layer. So they put it over the chai. And let's taste it.
Okay. So this should taste different than the chai that we would have on the, like street chai.
It should. It should.
It's like a cappuccino chai.
I won't say anything.
Ooh.
Lots of flavor.
But it was like over seasoned. It was supposed to taste like that, I think. It was put too much. That's beautiful.
I like that. How's the food?
Incredibly delicious.
It's so tasty.
So good.
Butter chicken is also apparently from here.
Yeah, apparently.
And mutton also.
And mutton.
So, where are we right now?
We are at the Kulcha land.
Kuchalan? Kulchalan.
Don't say that.
Don't say. Why is it that everything Corbin mispronounces turns into a foul word in Punjab?
That's just who I am now. And what are we having here?
We are having 3 different types of kulchas
Okay.
this place offers, and also we are going to have some authentic Punjabi lassi.
Oh yeah. Which we've heard it's like the best.
And kulcha is a Punjabi.
We can relate it to naan, but I don't know if you people are going to trash me out on this.
You said a moment ago it's in the family of
Family of naan.
I like bread.
You like bread?
I do.
I wish.
Bread
I
is
hope
delicious.
you love this.
Yeah. Okay.
I've loved everything Punjabi that I've ever had.
Oh, you are a Punjabi also.
I am.
An
I just
Irish
need my
Punjabi.
turban. That's what I need.
Yeah,
Everything from Dollar Mendy to
Dollar Mahal. Naan.
okay.
This is the authentic Amritsari naan. This is the paneer. You know about paneer?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So
Cheese.
this is the paneer naan. This is the masala naan. And this is the authentic Amritsari naan.
Wow, and it comes with
This is chickpeas.
chickpeas.
butter naan.
And how do we eat it? Just tear it and
Go for it. Go
Oh
for
my
it.
word.
Go for it. Explore yourself.
Yes.
And what are these?
So this is lassi. You cannot come to Amritsar or Punjab and not drink lassi.
Everybody said just that one post today when they realized we were here.
Cream on the top.
Cream.
Yeah.
Cream on the top. And there's lassi beneath. So just go for it.
And do we eat it with our hands?
Slouch
or-
it. Slouch it.
Wow. It's not too sweet either.
Yeah, I told it.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, gotcha.
Oh. That's so good.
You know,
the chewy cultures on the top.
that's the malai.
Beautiful.
So that is the right way to drink lassi. Rick, that is the right way to
Lick
drink
it off.
lassi. We'll get to the authentic one in the last.
Okay.
Do it last.
At the
okay.
last. So you should know how
And
the
this is a
others
breakfast.
taste. This is a breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay.
Which
so-
Indian breakfasts kick butt.
Yeah, they do.
You know what? I think Punjabis are pretty awesome. It's like pizza. Dipped in pork.
It's crunchy.
It is crunchy. Rick, there we go. Okay, cilantro. Yeah.
Is it that spicy?
No, it's not bad, but there's spice. It's good though. It's almost like the consistency of a thin crust, like a homemade thin crust pizza.
Yep.
Very much.
Again, this is a paneer kulcha.
Okay.
It has paneer in it.
Inside.
Inside.
And paneer is basically cheese. Oh, baby. Right?
No.
Oh.
Indian cheese.
See the layer of paneer in there? Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna like this one. Isn't that beautiful?
He has gone for it.
He's already gone. Yeah. Yep. 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 Uh-huh. Okay, so far, you were right to eat that one first.
Yep.
And then goes up a notch. Yeah, they stepped it up a notch. And then these are the same.
These are the same. These are the same.
That's nice.
The difference is flavor in it is in the kulcha.
Yeah. Is it ghee that's slathered on the top?
This one's delicious.
And that's with desi ghee.
Let me tell you something.
Desi ghee.
Desi ghee
You want
is
to take anything up a notch?
Indian ghee.
Whether it's
The
your
other ones you get
morning
are
breakfast,
factory made.
or your snack during the middle of the day, or your love life, slather it in ghee.
Punjabi food is my favorite.
You guys have heard it. Time for the authentic Punjabi Amritsari kulcha. You love it?
We don't have lassi in America.
Oh, yeah, we definitely don't have whatever this is.
You were all right. All of you who told us when you saw us eating Indian food in America and said you haven't eaten Indian food, you were 100% correct.
What's the difference?
What's in it? What's the difference between
See,
this and these? This has paneer. This does not.
This has masala.
Right.
This has veggie stuff.
What? Veggie what?
Veggies.
Right.
Aloo.
Veggies aloo.
Aloo is
Right.
potato.
Oh, and what is this?
Maybe both.
So it's just a refill? Okay.
So it says veggies and
See
potato.
the ghee coming out of it.
Yeah, you can see the little inside hanging
It
off
almost
there.
smells like a pizza.
Oh,
holy
the
hell.
butter. The butter taste. The butter. He just had a foodgasm. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's even better than the paneer.
That's why I said we're going to try it at the last.
That's even better than the paneer.
Oh, man.
This will straight up make you want to do this. If this is bothersome to any of you, I don't care.
Yeah. This is good.
Oh, I don't even want to add.
Anything?
Nah,
You don't need to.
that's fantastic.
The Punjabis are my people.
That's why I kept this for the last.
They're my people. So, where are we now?
So, Punjab tour isn't complete without the food from Dhaba.
From what?
A Dhaba food.
Dhaba food.
Dhaba is a street side, roadside restaurant. Punjab we call it Dhaba. Currently we are at the Brahma the Dhaba, means brothers Dhaba.
Whoa. Bang. Whoa. B-roll.
So what is that?
Roti.
Makki ki roti.
Makki ki roti.
And this is sarson. Sarson. Gas. Sarson gas. Let me mix it. You want to see?
Oh, yeah.
Dip it, dip it.
Ow.
You can't take it, it's falling apart. There we go.
Wow. How is it?
Great winter food.
Like comfort food kind of thing?
Yes. There's way more going on in there than just spinach though.
Spinach.
An unsweet cornbread.
It smells similar to a cornbread. No, I don't think it's too spicy.
Good.
It is spicy,
Not too spicy.
but it doesn't make me go like that. Yeah, at least.
That means
Yeah, okay.
you want to try the pickled onions?
No. So, I was saying, if anybody has ever been to America, or anywhere, I don't know if anywhere else does this, cornbread and chili. That's what I can equate this to. It's not exactly it, but that's the closest thing I can think of. And it's delicious. Now, what is this pepper?
We don't know the names, but it's just green chili.
Is it spicy or no? Is it like a hot pepper?
Then you're gonna
Do it, Rick. Eat the whole thing. Yeah. Shove it down your gullet.
Yeah, I'm getting to the seeds now.
Oh, yeah. I'm not trying that.
This will kill you.
Look at that rain. Aerial shots. So we just finished walking down Heritage Lane, aka Memory Lane. Now we are headed back to our hotel because we got an early, not too early, but an early flight tomorrow morning. And we are tired because we've done a lot in, what, 4 days?
Yep.
But thoughts on Punjab and then Amritsar, Rick?
Amazing day.
It was really incredible.
Amazing day.
I don't know by the time this vlog up that you've seen everything that we did. Probably not. But the food was amazing. The Wagga border was amazing. The Golden Temple was amazing. Also, our fearless leader was amazing. You all need to thank him and all the wonderful stupid babies that have been helping us out this entire trip.
Yes.
Because without them,
Yes.
these
Yes.
it would be a very boring trip for everyone.
You wouldn't know what we're doing.
So, thank them and be kind.